Welcome to our video comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Elevon portable washing machine and the portable washing machine. Today, we will dive into their features, specifications, and performance to help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's get started. The Elevon features a twin tub design, allowing for separate washing and spinning, which can save time and enhance efficiency. In contrast, the portable washing machine offers a foldable design, making it extremely portable and easy to store. This design is ideal for those with limited space. When it comes to capacity, the Elevon portable washing machine can handle up to 18 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for larger loads. On the other hand, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 16 liters, which is more suitable for smaller items like underwear and baby clothes. This difference can significantly impact your laundry experience depending on your needs. The Elevon offers a separate spin cycle, which can be a lifesaver for those who want to quickly dry their clothes after washing. In contrast, the portable washing machine is designed with a low-noise motor, making it perfect for use in quiet environments like apartments or during the night. Both machines have their unique advantages in functionality. In conclusion, the Elevon portable washing machine is ideal for those needing higher capacity and efficiency with its twin tub design. Meanwhile, the portable washing machine is perfect for those who prioritize portability and quiet operation. We hope this comparison helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.